Welcome to my Profit Fiction Academy review. Maybe asking yourself, can you make money by selling Kangol on Amazon, guys? Okay, but first of all, if you want to make money online, get my number one recommendation to make money online. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, now let's talk about Fiction Profits Academy. So this is a course, guys. Okay, this is a course. I'm gonna tell you how much it costs and whether you can make money here with Profit Fiction Academy. This is a course that's gonna teach you how to make money selling Kindle on Amazon, guys. Okay, so it's gonna teach you that. And also they say that check our free training. Okay, that's not a free training, that's a webinar. Just keep in mind this training, after watching this webinar, there's gonna be an upsell, guys. Okay, it's gonna sell you something. Okay, just be aware. I'm gonna tell you how much it costs, guys. Okay, to be honest, this is a legit, guys. Okay, it's a legit way to make money with Kindle on Amazon. If you want to start a Kindle Amazon, like let's say that you're writing books, you want to sell ebooks on Amazon, digital ebooks on Amazon. So this is the course, this is the training that you need, but there is a price that you have to pay here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna tell you all of those things. Okay, so the creator here, guys, has many students. Okay, he has many students. They're getting the results here, but that doesn't mean, guys, you can get the same results like other students, guys. Results are typical results, guys, depending results, they are depending on the effort that you are willing to put, guys. Okay, after learning with this course, guys, okay, it's gonna teach you how to write your own ebooks. Okay, and also it's gonna teach you how to outsource your own ebooks, guys. Okay, there are people that you have to hire, meaning that when you want to outsource your ebooks, you have to pay someone, guys, to write ebooks for you, guys. Okay, there is a cost for that. Okay, some of these people, they charge up to $500, up to $1,000 for them to write your own ebooks in order to sell it on Amazon. Okay, so with this kind of business, guys, I wouldn't recommend for newbies, guys. Okay, people that they want to make money online, guys, I wouldn't recommend it at all for this kind of methods, because they have you must have a lot of money to invest, guys. Okay, first of all, you have to invest. Let's talk about the price first. You have to invest $1,500 to buy this course that's gonna teach you with that. Okay, and secondly, if you don't know how to write your own ebook, you have to invest up to $1,000 as well to hire someone to write your own ebook. Okay, and secondly, you have to invest at least, let's say, $800 to promote your ebooks, maybe to run Amazon ads. Okay, so you may spend up to $4,000, guys. Okay, to keep your business running with this kind of business, guys. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend for newbies to start this kind of online business, guys. Okay, but although it is legit, you can make money, but there must be some money that you need to invest, a lot of money to invest in order to make money here with this kind of business, guys. Okay, but let me tell you, my number one recommendation to make money online as a newbie, it is called high ticket affiliate marketing. You can make up to $1,000 per sale, guys. Okay, without promoting anything on Amazon, not doing anything on Amazon, guys. Okay, that helped me, guys, to quit my 9-to-5 job, and also that helped me to have financial freedom, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible, guys. Okay, don't forget to like this video and also to leave a comment down below. Take care, and may God bless you sharp, guys.